Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something a little bit different. It is an unboxing, and those of you that are subscribers, you know that I love to do unboxings typically from ThredUp, but today's going to be a little bit different. Today is going to be a reseller mystery unboxing, and this girl, she kind of reached out on Instagram and she was looking for someone to do an unboxing video on YouTube for her, and she would give you a discount on her reseller box. So I got it discounted, but if you would like to purchase this box, I'm going to put a picture up here of her closet, and her name is Emma's Pop Closet. I'm going to put that link down below for you, and also on the bottom here for you guys to see. And it is a reseller mystery box. You get 10 items for $20 plus shipping. And she says the brands that may be included are American Eagle, J. Crew, Free People, Anthropologie, Lucky Brand, Victoria's Secret, Ann Taylor, Loft, etc. And so she also had really great reviews. I definitely looked at those before I committed to purchasing the box, and she had just really great. People were like, this is not my last purchase. She had an awesome selection of clothing in the box. And it says that it will be 5 pounds, but I weighed mine and it's actually over the 5-pound weight limit. So I'm really surprised that Poshmark you didn't collect extra money, because it was like 5 pounds and 6 ounces or something like that. So I was really excited to see that she definitely packed it full. So let's see, assorted sizes and seasons. So this probably wouldn't work well for someone that's just purchasing clothes for themselves, because you are going to get an assortment of seasons, probably an assortment of sizes, so it wouldn't be beneficial for someone to purchase for themselves. But as a reseller, it's awesome. So I'm really excited to get into that. I also wanted to talk about her Instagram. Okay, so her Instagram is emmathrifts_, so I'm going to put that as well on here. I'll also put the link down below for you all. And that's how I found her, honestly. I found her on Instagram. She had made that post about looking for someone to do a video, and I was like, that is right up my alley, because I love doing unboxings. So she does know I'm doing this video. So go check out her Instagram, and if you're interested in purchasing one of those boxes, definitely do that. So here's the box. It is the large mailing box here, and as I said, it's over 5 pounds, so that's pretty promising. I'm pretty excited about that. So no idea what's going to be in here or anything. That's the whole point. It's a mystery box, which is my favorite. I don't know why I love doing them, but I just love the mystery of you don't know what's in there. I think it's so fun. So if you were to purchase this box at the $20 plus shipping, the shipping is $6.79, I believe, because they did go up recently. So that makes your cost per good $2.79. So pretty good. How cute. Okay, so she has it in a bag. I'm going to kind of show you what I'm seeing, because I like to do that. Really cute. I just love her little photo too. It's the little pop, thank you for your purchase. So that is super cute. That's the little tangled Rapunzel, and I love Disney, so. Alright, so she has it wrapped up in a big bag here. Let me get into it. I see a sweater. That's always good. Alright. So now that we have it open, I'm going to set it down and just get right on through. Alright, so first things first is a gray knit sweater, kind of a striped design on it. It is kind of an open knit. You can't tell, but it is a little bit sheer, which is great for kind of the transition between winter and spring. Oh, it's by Moth. How exciting. Okay, well that's a surprise. I did not expect to get Anthropologie. So, and it is a size small petite. When it has the S and then the P, it means small or petite, not small and petite. It's actually really long. Well, I can't show you, but it's actually pretty long. Like, this would be a good length for me. So super cute. Has like a mock turtleneck at the top. Really great. I mean, great quality. I don't see like any flaws or anything. So this is starting out nice. That is so cute. Thank you, girl. I did not expect to get Anthropologie for that price. Alright, so we have some denim shorts. Ooh, that's exciting. Alright, here they are. They are distressed American Eagle. As you can see, they look high-rise, which is always good. It says American Eagle, super stretch. These do look small. I will say that. Let's see, they are a size 0. So they are a smaller size. Okay. High-rise shorties. Those are so cute. Those are perfect for the season. So those will do really well. Okay, next is a, oh, it's like a night, okay, like a night, what are these? Like a night, it's a nightgown, but it has a high-low hem, and it's a beautiful ivory color. Ooh, I really like this. It looks like a bigger size too. Yeah, so it's, oh no, I don't know how to pronounce it. TheScottCottage. I have seen this. I have seen other resellers pick this brand up. Honestly, it definitely looks like something from Anthropologie, but let me check the RN. This isn't always a giveaway, but yep, it is. It's Anthropologie. Yay! Okay, so another Anthropologie piece. So the RN is Anthropologie, so that is exciting. I did not expect to get Anthropologie in this. 3/4 sleeves, very lightweight. It's kind of like a thermal mix between a thermal and a sweater, but super soft. I might keep this. This is beautiful. All right, so that's piece number 3. Okay, I see something that has red. Ooh, I like red. Okay, so this is kind of that bright red color. A little bit of a high-low hem. Has sheer sleeves that come down. There's elastic at the wrist, and it is by Express, size extra small. So there is a variety of sizes. So we've gotten small, extra small, and large, and then a size 0. So we've gotten a pretty good variety, which is good. This is a beautiful blouse. There's the back. So it has a high-low hem, just very, very classic. This would be actually really great for Valentine's Day. Next, oh my goodness, these are new with tag. This girl has hooked me up, guys. Okay, these are corduroys. They are size 4, so a little bit smaller, but honestly, they're new with tag. I can't even, they are skinny. And here's the tag, size 27. It's called the Modern Skinny. These are so cute. Brand new. That is very, very exciting, guys. Brand new. Those will probably do well. You know, it is a change of the season. A lot of people are already shopping for spring, but those would transition pretty easily because they're corduroy, but they are more of a lightweight corduroy. Okay, so next we have a black top, which black is really, really hard to photograph, but it's my favorite color to sell. I love black clothing. I am a hairdresser, and I've worn black my entire life as a hairdresser, and I think it's just so flattering. And this is beautiful. It has this beautiful ruffle detail on the sleeves, but black just doesn't come up well in photos. So, you know, maybe I need to play with my backgrounds, but this has a beautiful just ruffle. It has buttoned wrists and a keyhole opening in the back, and this is by And Away, and I'm not 100%. I have heard of it. I don't know where it's from. I'm hoping maybe Target. Kind of sounds like Target. It does have an RN number. Target, I was right. Okay, so this is sold at Target. So this is going to be more of like a bread and butter type of item, but this is very unique. It's a size extra large. It is very unique with those ruffles, so that should do really well as like a career wear type item. Next we have some pants. Free People, what? All right, here's her pants. This is adorable. So these are like really breathable, lightweight, skinny pants. I really don't know what to call this fabric though. Let me see if I can look really quickly. They kind of remind me of like a, here we go. They're 99% cotton and 1% spandex, but these are great for the summer. These are really lightweight. They're textured kind of with the plaid, or the, I guess this is checkered skinny leg. They're in great condition. I don't see any flaws. They are free, people, and they're a size 10. So these are so cute. I can't think of the name of the type of this pant. I actually have some in my closet now, but those are so cute. Once again, not expecting free, people, so that is awesome. I would definitely order from her again. All right, next we have a really bright purple cami. I'm pretty sure this is probably like a night shirt or something, but you could layer this, and it's by Victoria's Secret. Very, very, very stretchy. Let's see what size. Size small. Here's the back, has kind of the lace trim around the top. This is very cute. You could wear this by itself. You could wear it with maybe a cardigan over the top, or you could wear it to sleep in. That is cute. Oh, I lost count. I'll count them at the end. All right, I really like the pattern of this. Ooh, it has a zipper. Okay, this is super cute. It's very small, but the pattern has some paisley print on there and floral, and there's the back. I do love this zipper detail. Super cute. Let's see what brand. Oh, it's Lucky brand. Now, it doesn't have the tag. It has the writing. I hope you guys can see that. But Lucky brand, and this is a size small. So it is small, but I think this will sell because of the design. That's beautiful. I am a sucker for anything floral. I know that. Okay, looks like last item, and it is some kind of dress or something. Oh, it's by Zara. Okay, I'm trying to figure it out. So, oh, it's, huh. Okay, so it's like a dress with a shirt. So the top is this olive green, kind of a sheer material. There is the brand Zara collection, and very sheer. You can see the slip underneath, and then it's a dress at the bottom. And this is so unique. Okay, I think it's actually considered a tunic because it has the side slit. So this would be so cute with some leggings and boots. Oh, what size is this? This is too cute. WB US small. Oh wait, Europe. It's Europe. US small. You know, even if though it's a small, it looks big. It looks kind of oversized, so I might could get away with fitting my butt in it. But this is so cute. Very sheer. Of course, it's wrinkly, so it's kind of hard for you to see, but this is beautiful. Let's see what it's made of. Let's see. 100% polyester. The lining is, okay, 83% acrylic. Oh, it even has wool. So this green part is a wool blend. So that is always something you want to put in the description. People really look for wool. So that is so cute. I'll have to see how that kind of looks on the mannequin because it's hard to tell what it'll look like, but very, very cute. Okay, so that's the end. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there was in fact 10 items, like she said. So $20 plus shipping. I think this box was totally worth it. I would purchase again for the $20. I did get it discounted to do this video, but I would definitely pay the $20. I'm always looking for new ways to source. Sourcing is such a pain for resellers. We spend so many hours at the thrift store hunting specific items like what she sent me, and so getting it delivered to my house, you know, is so convenient. Alrighty, so if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these awesome reseller boxes, make sure you click on the link below directly to her closet. And if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also hit the little bell button down below because that will alert you anytime I upload a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.